head of all associate members of ACC, cricket team of Bangladesh, cricket team of Pakistan, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I extend my deepest condolence to the people of Bangladesh over the tragic crash in which 31 people died. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families and with the entire nation. On the other side, I want to congratulate Bangladeshi Cricket Board for this recent series which you won. Another thing which I would like to mention here, that this is the first annual general meeting in Bangladesh where we will have almost majority of the members here in Dhaka. Again, thank you for the hospitality. Thank you for organizing all this. And I can tell you one thing, this would not have been possible without Bangladesh Cricket Board help. Special thanks to Amit Bhai. He worked day and night to make this happen. The ACC was bothering him and his whole team for the last several days, but I'm glad that we are all here. I want to thank specially to all those members who are specially here for this meeting. Your presence means a lot to me.